to our video series on using the new storefront of GCCPlus. Today's video is how to book training and events. Unlike the new features regarding services and packages, the training and events booking system is very much the same as before. So this video will be mostly useful for those of you who are new to the system or for those who want a refresher. All training for education establishments can be found in the Training tab on the GCCPlus homepage. From here, you will be able to book your training and also see what has already been booked. We'll start with viewing your bookings. You can do this on the training page by using the Bookings and My Organisation columns. These will show you all the training for which you are booked and all of the training that everyone in your organisation has booked onto. You will be able to see these details in the calendar. Any days highlighted in green indicate that either you or someone from your school is booked in for training on that day. Simply click on the day for further details. Once you've found the training course you want to attend, you can then book. Firstly, click onto the training. You'll be then taken to the booking page for that training course. You can scroll down to make a booking. To do this, select the person you wish to attend the training by using the drop-down menu. If that person is not listed, you are able to create a new delegate. At this point, you will need to provide some basic details about the attendee. Once you have the delegate that you want, then you can press Request. This is all done via the basket. Once in the basket, you will need to click on to the area titled Training and Events. You can view the bookings you have made, and once happy, click to confirm the terms and conditions. At this point, there's nothing left to do but check out. And so that's how to book training and events using GCCPlus. We hope this video has been useful to you, and thank you for your time.